Hello, Carter Mills, data scientist here at Syntelli Solutions. I wanted to give you guys a first look at the new TIBCO Spotfire. We have the beta here in-house and we're learning as we go along to see what is new. And so we'll do a series of short videos to kind of preview some of those things. First and foremost, we are looking at the build version 7.0.0.43. And it's only a few weeks old, which is pretty fun. So looking at some of the things that came with it, let's open up this film DXP, and it comes up with the a canned visualization for the illustration purposes. But let's create a new window and start from here to look at the table. So right off the bat, you can see that it looks very similar to the previous version, and of course the one thing and the most striking difference here, or thing to be concerned about, is the fact that somehow Nicolas Cage is associated with all of these films, but that's beside the point. The first thing that stands out to me is the fact that over here on the data panel that you would normally use to create visualizations, it's no longer just a list of variables. It's categorized by numbers and categories, so that can help in creating visualizations as you go forward. Also, right off the bat, you see from these categories you can click and implement a filter. For example, what films has Alan Alda been the director of, and it will filter the data, which also impacts the standard filters that you see over here and you're used to. So that's right off the bat something that's interesting and new, I think. But the thing that everybody's been looking forward to, of course, is the new visual themes. Right now we have light and dark, and I guess the ability to edit them as we go forward. But if you're feeling mysterious, you can have everything default to a dark theme. But just having it light or dark is not the only capabilities of this new function. If you click up to View and go down to Visual Theme, you can also edit that theme to create your own custom theme. It's great that they have the light theme, which is what you're used to, and the dark theme, but it also gives you the ability to do lots of nifty things on a global scale that people have been wanting to see, like change your fonts for the entire document. You can change the visualization area, as well as padding around the edges. General visualizations to set your background. You can have everything from any color that you want to some of the more standard ones. You can change your visualization title, padding, margins, colors, borders, and your visualization scale. Now, of course, the reason that this is so great is because it gives you the ability to impact the entire screen and not go for just what has been the standard visualization, or having to change each thing independently. So, in the spirit of learning as we go around the visualization themes, let's pop back over to this initial visualization that came with this DXP and go to the visual theme and start with light, which is how it came. But some of the interesting things about how to change those visual themes is you can go down to Edit Custom Theme, and if in general you can say I'd like to start with, so in other words base it on their light and dark theme. You can change the accent color and the borders and the distance between visualizations, but let's go to details for this one. You can change the padding on all sides. As you can see, it operates in real time, which is excellent because you can actually see as you change some of these things how it's going to impact it as you go along. You click on the out arrow, you don't have to do just the top or the right or the bottom or the left. You can do it on all sides as well. General visualizations, same thing. On the title, you have access to all of the fonts that you have on your machine. And of course we have to see what it looks like if we change it, yes, to Wingding. Not usually used in the business community, but can add some flair. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we will have new ones as we go along.